I'm gonna show you how to test Ethernet cable with fluke meter. If you learn about Ethernet testing, Ethernet cable testing, so please keep watch this video until end. Okay, let's start. Welcome to Shami Tech. My name is Sham. Again request, if you come first time on my channel, so please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. If you don't know how to make Ethernet cable, I already make video about it, so you can watch. The video link is in description. Okay, I will go now tester screen. I will show you there how to test Ethernet cable. Okay friend, first of all, press on button. Okay, you can see here operator name, side name, folder name. Okay, if you want to make this like this, so you just move it here on setup. Okay, and press this button, go down, press enter on instrument setting, press enter. Okay, here you make folder which one you want and press this one button. Here you can write operator name, here side name, here company, language. Okay, here date, here power downtime you can, if you want to set. Okay, now just move it here on auto test. Okay, one end put it here. Okay, another end put in remote. Basically it is mode. Okay, just press on. Okay, just press test. If you want to save previous result, you can save, but I don't want. Just no, yes. Okay, you can see here this patch code is okay. You can see here wire map. Okay, if you go down here you can see resistance 0.4 ohm, 0.4, 0.3. In every pair have resistance. First pair 0.4, second pair 0.4, third pair 0.3. Okay, go back. Here you can see length, how meter this our patch code. If you enter, this is 2.1 meter. Okay, here you can see resistance, return loss. Here next loss, delay sick. Okay. Okay, now if you want to save, test result save, just press save and write here number. If you want any patch code number, write here number and just save. Okay, if you learn anything in this video, so please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more additional support. Bye bye.